Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your first love read for the month of September. Let's see Aquarius, how you're feeling now, how your person is feeling and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So with that said, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. Thank you for all the love and support you're sending to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And newbies, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards or action cards, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck I have the Seven of Swords in reverse. So somebody either feels that whatever they did, it's kind of backfired on them. Things have kind of become a little messed up here, or maybe somebody was caught lying here. So let me see. Somebody is feeling, yes, person A feels things are in troubled waters right now. There's no sense of joy, happiness, celebration. The other person feels the same way, that nobody is putting in work in this connection anymore. They do want to end the fight though. They do want to end the fight or whatever conflict that's happened in this connection. So before I go on further, Aquarius, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarifications. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. I'm going to take a few more Aquarius from another deck. Aquarius and their person spirit. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. One more. Aquarius and their person. Alright, good to go Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that I'm marriage material, and I know deep down you know that too. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am. I put you on a pedestal and made myself small. My answer will be, I do. So maybe earlier somebody was not giving that offer, but now they're saying, hey, I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. I wish I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. And the last card here says, missing you so much. We truly did have something special. Alright Aquarius, these were some of your dialogue message cards. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. For Aquarius, practice makes perfect. So this is a message for either you or your cross watcher. I think some effort has to be put here. Somebody didn't put in the effort here, right? So it's like one person practicing their craft, trying and trying again. So that's the message for one person to say, hey, if you want it, practice makes perfect. Alright, let's start with the energies of person A. For me, this is person A, this is person B. You could be either side, Aquarius. Like I said, you would know. So, Three of Cups, why are you feeling the Three of Cups in reverse, person A? Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Oh, they feel they're angry. They're very, very angry. They feel, I had so much love for my person. I had so much love for my person. I know that we were meant to be. The love was pure. I was wishing and hoping this was my dream come true, wish come true. But they never took action. They never took action, and now I don't trust them. I'm upset. I know that I'm the Empress. I know that I am worth everything that I was wishing for. I know I'm marriage material, and I know deep down they knew it too. But even though, yes, I felt that there was love between us, this was a wish come true for me and for them, but they never really, stepped up or took action, and I've lost my zest for this connection as well, because I don't trust them anymore. I'm angry, I'm upset. I have trust issues with them now. I deserve better. I know it, that I am the Empress and they didn't treat me like one. So there's a lot of this Empress feels things just didn't take the correct course of action. You guys didn't reach that place of harmony and peace. Because why? Because person B either blocked them or didn't take action towards them, didn't come towards them with an offer. So things are still, I feel, according to person A, very conflicted. Yes, there was no new beginning offered. There was no, taking a risk to say, hey, let's make this happen. And person A, frankly, feels that they were fooled. They were fooled by that person. One more. Six of Swords. Yes. I think person A, being the Empress, very loving, very kind, very nurturing, took on the entire burden of this connection. Like this card said, where was it? I had put you on a pedestal and made myself small. An Empress, working like a mule here, so all these heavy burden on their back, while their person, I guess, didn't put in the work. Finally, I think this Empress realized that, hey, I'm an Empress. I'm not supposed to be carrying such heavy weights. I'm supposed to look beautiful, put my makeup on, and sit on my throne. And if they don't want me, so be it. I know what I'm worth. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this way? Three of Wands in reverse. What happened here? Three of Wands in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse. I think this Empress turned their back on this connection. There was too much of stress and worry and waiting for somebody to take action, for luck to go, in their favor, so things would move ahead, move smoothly ahead. Finally, I think the stress became that overwhelming and overbearing that this Empress probably had to turn their back on person B, and they felt that was the right thing to do. That is what would bring them justice, a feeling of justice, that at least, yes, if I turn my back, at least I'm doing right by myself. And let me at least give myself justice if they're not going to give it to me. Justice? Yeah, because there was no offer of commitment, right? There was no offer of protecting this Empress or sharing her load or moving forward in a healthy way. One more for the Justice card. Yes, person A, I think, was very unhappy, emotionally drained out. They were hoping for some kind of working together, we'll build a stable foundation together, but I guess that never happened, and that left this Empress, person A, feeling emotionally drained and very, very unhappy. So how does person A now feel about person B or the connection, Spirit? The Sun. Why the Sun, Spirit? Person A feels that I did love them. But I refused to talk to them anymore. They rejected me. They were only after their money and their finance and their 3D challenges, whatever they had. They were never paying me attention. They emotionally manipulated me. They hid their emotions from me. They were never open to offer me love. I always was in no man's land, always trying to balance things out for the two of us. And even though they were my sunshine, they were my happiness, but I think I've made a decision that if they are going to be cold-hearted, or they are going to be lying to me, or they are going to be emotionally always closed off, then I'm going towards my own happiness. I am very upset with them. Yes. This Empress is also now very upset with, this is how they seeing their person. King of Swords in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse, and the King of Cups in reverse. So I don't think this Empress has a very good, feeling towards their person right now. And maybe this Empress did wait for some time, waiting, maybe not, maybe because the heart of hearts, the love was there. Huge amount of love was there from this side, and finally I think they had to make a decision to get away from all this petty behavior. Ace of Swords in reverse. What's this Ace of Swords in reverse? Person A feels there is no victory to be had. There's no victory to be had. Even if I try one more time to have one more go around with this person, I already feel so deflated and depleted and hurt by person B that I don't know whether I want to now work with them. All the happiness I felt for this connection, the Sun card, happiest card in the deck, is now dimmed out. Why? Because maybe somebody lied or was not very clear about their intentions. So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Aquarius, let's go on to the other side. Let's see how person B is really doing. Person B has the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Person B wants to talk. They want to clear the air. They are recognizing the fact that yes, in the past, they did not put in enough work. Maybe they are frustrated right now, very, very frustrated and angry, probably with themselves. They want to hold on to person A. They want to hold on. They don't want to end this chapter. This is how tightly person B wants to hold on to this connection. They don't want this to end. Death card in reverse. This person is right now maybe a little frustrated, a little angry. Maybe they are thinking about the way they've behaved maybe in the past, very rash and immature. All that clarity is coming to them, and they want to talk. They want to talk about if there's a possibility of ending this conflict now, this fight. 5 of Wands in reverse. They're feeling the person slip away. They're feeling the stagnancy happening. They're feeling that this Empress is no longer wanting to be with them. They are feeling that their person A may just walk off, leave them behind, drop them totally, and become single. And yes, the Queen of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, they really don't need me. They wanted me, but now they're not even showing me any interest. So maybe they're dropping me, and that's kind of frightening person B. They're very frustrated, very upset and angry about the stagnation that's happened in this connection now. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? 8 of Wands in reverse. There was a communication blockage because somebody wanted to escape making a commitment. Maybe the lies got caught as to why they were not communicating, why they were being inconsistent, why this cycle was, repeating itself of promises which are always broken, I guess. So something came to light here about why they were not consistent in their communication. I think person A figured out it was because they were trying to escape giving them a long-term promise or something. World in reverse. I think person B has now figured out that this chapter is still open, or they want it to be open. They are ready. They are ready to heal this connection now. They want this brand new beginning. They want to offer it. They don't want this chapter to be shut down, Aquarius. They don't want ending of this connection between the two of you. In fact, if possible, they want to heal things with you, but with person A. So this realization that they still want person A is kind of frustrating them, and they are now wanting to communicate, or at least clear the air and say, hey, please, can you drop this fight? Can we end this conflict now? Because they're very worried that they've lost their forever person. And if person A is not showing them any interest, they may become single and available, and who knows what, they could go away with somebody else. So how does person B now feel about the connection? 5 of Pentacles in reverse. They want to return. Person B wants to return. They've been feeling very isolated, feeling left out in the cold. They want to get out of this place. They're missing person A very badly. They don't like this feeling of freezing out, or feeling cold and isolated and away from their person. I think they desperately want these barriers to come down so that they can return. 9 of Wands in reverse. What's this 9 of Wands in reverse? Yes, they want to come out of this feeling of sadness and regret and guilt. They feel they are losing their power after certain secrets came out about the fact that they didn't put in any investment or any... They're very stressed out, my God. This person is going through a bit of depression. This person is very stressed out, maybe a bit depressed as well, as maybe having lost their power now, recognizing that they were the person who was being a little controlling or trying to escape a commitment. They were trying to... Like Emperor in reverse is somebody who has fake power. They play games to say, it's my way, I will decide when we are going to commit. I will decide when our next date is going to be. And now they're figuring out, and they're feeling quite guilty and very upset, and they do want to come out of this zone. Now, because now they're fearing that person A is not putting in any work now. Earlier they were carrying all the wands. Now they've freed themselves. They've let go. And if they become single, then, what happens? Okay, so let's see what actions you guys are going to take. For this, I'm going to use another deck. But before I open these cards, if you guys are still here, if it's resonating to some level, Aquarius, do hit that thumbs up button. It really makes me happy to know how many I'm resonating with, and also helps these videos to circulate. At least that's what YouTube is telling me. So it would be nice to have some more views since... Alright, person A has the Ace of Cups. Why is that an action, Spirit? Are they going off of new love? Or are they in self-love? Ace of Cups for person A as action. Or do they want to come back to person B? What's this Ace of Cup? Why is it an action from person A's end? Judgment, King of Pentacles, and the Magician. Oh, I think heart of heart, person A does still have a lot of love for person B. Magician, Temperance, they're patiently, I think, manifesting a renewal of this connection. They're waiting or manifesting a message to be brought in, maybe by this King of Pentacles. Person A still has a lot of love. Whatever they may say, even if they're angry, upset, like I said, they do find a lot of happiness with person B. I think they're upset because of this lies or not bringing clarity. They were always looking for justice. I think quietly in their corner, they're waiting for that message to come, or maybe they want to send a message. I doubt it. I think they're just being patient and manifesting a renewal of this connection. And they're hoping this time, person B will come back to them, offering them something very secure and stable. So So, person B, let's see, are you going to do this? Person B, yes, 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 here comes the commitment, Hierophant. Okay, so let's see, why is that an action? Are you bringing in a proposal? Person B, Hierophant, please invite me for the wedding. Okay. Queen of Cups, yes, they're in love as well. They're in love. They know person A is the love of their life. So, one more. Person B, action from your end. Queen of Wands, Queen of Cups. They see person A as the be all and end all. But they're a bit stressed out. Why are they stressed out, Spirit? Why are they stressed out? Because they feel their person has their boundaries up. Okay, so they do want to come in with something very, very secure and stable this time, person A. They do see you as the Queen of Cups, as the Queen of Wands. A little bit of stress is there. They are thinking, they're overthinking, they're going round and round in their head because they feel that you maybe have your guard up now. You pretending to be very serene and very put together, but you have your face turned away from them to say, hey, all right, I'm not even looking at you anymore and I'm putting my boundaries up. So they're a bit afraid of that. Apart from that, my God, you both do want each other big time. There's love from here, commitment coming from here. One person is manifesting, waiting for a renewal. The other person sees their person as the be all and end all, stressed out because they feel they'll be blocked or there's some blockages from person A's end. So yes, practice makes perfect. Keep pushing, keep trying and get through to person A. The Empress is waiting. That's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. See you on Friday now. Namaste.